The Earth bathed in light. But who's the real sunlight maestro? Surprise, it's not our vast forests. Meet phytoplankton, nature's microscopic solar panels. Their high surface area to volume ratio, perfect for capturing sunlight. Their pigments, tuned to absorb a wide range of wavelengths. Resourceful with nutrients, they stock up for rainy days. Fast electron transport, rapid carbon fixation, that's them. Efficiency? At least 50% of the oxygen in our atmosphere has been produced by phytoplankton. Mimic their design and solar panels could reach new heights. Even processors could learn a thing or two about efficiency. By studying these mini wonders, we're unlocking next-gen tech.